The ECM Mechanika V Slim, though beautifully designed, is unsuspecting from the outside. It's only when you find out that it's a heat exchanger and that ECM has somehow hidden a 2.2-liter boiler in there that you begin to get excited. Hi, I'm Victoria. Let's take a look at the ECM Mechanika V Slim espresso machine. As with most ECM machines, the Mechanika has a fantastic fit and finish. Its styling has an understated beauty with small eye-catching details. The classic, solid feel of the rotary valve knobs with their pop of red, the hefty steel brew lever, and the premium ECM portafilters make every interaction with the Mechanika satisfying. Now let's get back to the coolest thing about this machine: the power it packs and its small footprint. For reference, it's about the same size as the ECM Classika, a single boiler machine. In the Mechanika, you get a larger steam boiler than any other E61 machine in our lineup, and the ability to pull shots and steam milk back to back. This makes it an excellent option for those that need the most power with the smallest footprint. It also provides compelling competition with the Rocket Apartamento, which has long been the most popular compact heat exchanger, almost uncontested, with a larger footprint and a 1.8-liter steam boiler. Continuing down the spec sheet, the Mechanika has a stainless steel boiler and a 3-liter internal reservoir and a vibratory pump. This vibratory pump is well mounted, so it's pleasantly quiet. If you're familiar with ECM, you know what to expect when we pop the hood. It takes less than a minute to open up the Mechanika, and all the internals are neatly laid out. Heat exchanger machines are famously reliable, but should you ever need to make repairs on your machine, ECM has ensured it'll be straightforward and painless. You may notice that it does not have a PID like the larger Profitec Pro 500. While we do generally prefer having control over boiler temperature, our testing has proven the Mechanika to be wonderfully consistent. Once the machine is up to temp, a 3 to 4 ounce cooling flush will get the brew water temperature down to around 201 degrees Fahrenheit. From there, it'll stay between 201 degrees and 197 degrees even after 5 shots in quick succession. Precisely the kind of consistency you'd expect from a well-built heat exchanger. Whether you love milk drinks, classic styling, or the time-tested reliability of heat exchanger machines, the Mechanika V Slim is an enticing new option for those looking to conserve counter space while getting a fantastic home espresso setup.